and see if there's any difference. No, legs are okay. So your pelvis is good. All right. So now let's see what the lower back brings us. 1 second here. Yeah, it's locked up. Yeah, definitely. All right. I'm going to adjust the mid back first. And then after that, I'll do your lower back. Okay. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Not bad. There it is. Good. All right. Face down. Good. Look at that. That's beautiful. Put your head back just a little bit. Deep breath. Let it out. Nice. Amazing. Deep breath. Let it out. A little bit more here. Did you feel that?
Oh yeah.